Let's actually work with Git in order to create commits that we want our other team members to be able to work with as well. We'll start off by just editing the file. This could be code changes, README changes, or changing any other file in your project. We'll just be using Vim as an example. You can use whatever you want in order to change the files. So we'll save and quit, then we'll check the status. Notice how the only file that's changed is the file that we changed. We can do a git diff to see the details of what changed. We'll also add or stage any of our changes. It's important to note that the only file changes that get committed are the ones that are staged first. Add will accept various arguments. You can give it a list of files or anything that points to files or directories. Next, let's check the git log. This tells us our chain of commits that have been created. So we can see right now our latest commit is from Troy with that commit hash. Now we want to go ahead and create a new branch. We'll call it new content. The -b tells it it's a new branch. If we check our status, we can see that we're now also put on our new branch. Now if we go ahead and run commit with a -m to give it a commit message, we'll create a new commit. So if we run git status, we can see that it's clean. We've committed all of our changes. Now we have a new commit that hasn't been pushed back. We'll get back to that in a second. In our log, we see that we still have our old commit as well as a new commit with a new hash, and this time it's created by Guy. Next, we'll want to push back to our origin repo or remote, giving it our new branch. We can see that it gets pushed. If we go back to our GitLab repo page, we can see that it detected that we created a new branch and pushed it. We can also jump directly into the branch by selecting it from the dropdown. We're now looking at our repo with the state as it is on our new branch. We can even see our commit message. Next, we'll want to hit Create Merge Request. This will drop us into a form where we're creating our new request. We give it a title, an optional description. We'll want to make sure that our source and target branches are correct. And then you just click Submit Merge Request. This will allow the other team members to review the changes and decide whether or not they should go back into our main repository.